Okay, so you've managed to set up your REPL account and you're presented with a screen that looks similar to this. First thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new program. So to do that, we're going to go up to the top here. We're going to click where it says new REPL, and the language we're using for today is Python. Honestly, couldn't have timed that any better. So what that happens is it immediately then creates this unique name, hideous motherly nagware. Brilliant. Now what I would suggest is you either leave it as a unique name if you're just fiddling around, but if it's an assessment task, you might want, for example, to call it like task 1, and then all you do is hit where it says create REPL. Now when you create this task, it'll take a wee minute while it sets up the Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. Okay, so the main parts of it are, over this left hand side here, we've got files, and we can add in extra files. It might be, for example, that we're going to, if we were in higher, adding in, sort of reading in for an external file, or maybe we're going to use something like a module library. We then have in the middle here the actual edit area. Now I've zoomed into this a little bit using the control and the mouse wheel, just so it's a wee bit easier for you to read in this particular video. And over here we have the console. So this is where you're going to type the program, you hit run, and this is where the program is going to appear. So let's just do the nice standard print hello world. Okay, so we've got the print command, these quotes, which says everything that's within these quotes is going to be displayed to the screen. And we then have speech marks, and what the speech marks means is, right, display the words hello, and I'm going to change it, world, to the screen. So when I hit run, it displays hello world. Okay, so really simple. Whatever you put in there, it displays. When you go online, you'll find sometimes that people use single quotes. It doesn't matter if you make use of single quotes or double quotes. We can simply hit run, and it'll display them just exactly the same. Okay, so this is a way we can use of displaying messages up on the screen. So what we want you to do for this task is display your name. Right, so something like this. Okay, now you'll notice this box appears. This box appears because what it's doing is it's giving you some ideas to help you out. You can just ignore it for just now. But as you start to use it, you might start thinking, oh, that looks quite good. Maybe we can do something here, but we don't need that just now. So we're just hit run, and you'll see it says, hello world, how are you, Mr. Stratton? So whatever you type here is what appears here. Okay? Thanks for tuning in.